Alligator.
A is for angelfish, so graceful and serene.
Ant.
B is for blue whale, the ocean's gentle queen.
Antelope.
C is for clownfish with stripes so bright.
D is for
Ape.
dolphin leaping into the night.
E is for eel, slippery
Armadillo.
and sleek. F is flying fish with a gliding technique.
Baboon.
G is for giant squid, mysterious and deep. H is for hermit
Badger.
crab, in its shell asleep. I is for ice fish,
Bat.
in icy waters it thrives. J is for jellyfish with tentacle
Bear.
dives. K is for killer whale, a hunter so grand.
Beaver.
L is for lionfish, a marvel of the sand. M
B.
is for manta ray with wings so wide. N is for nautilus,
Beetle.
in a shell it hides. O is for octopus, clever and shy.
Bison.
P is for penguin, under the sea it can fly. Q
Blackbird.
is for queen angelfish, dressed to impress. R is for rays,
Boar.
gliding with finesse. S is for seahorse, holding
Buffalo.
tight to the seaweed. T is for turtle, a swimmer of great speed.
Butterfly.
U is for urchin, with spines all around. V is
Camel.
for vampire squid, where mysteries abound. W is for whale shark, so
Canary.
massive yet kind. X is for Xiphias, with a sword like
Capybara.
spine. Y is for yellow seahorse, tiny and sweet.
Caribou.
Z is for zebra shark, where stripes and sea meet. From A to Z,
Cat.
beneath the waves, a world of wonder where the
Cattle.
ocean behaves. Each creature unique, a story to
Chameleon.
tell. In the vast blue sea they all dwell.
Cheetah. Chicken. Chimpanzee.
Hen is for ice
Cobra.
fish, in icy waters it thrives. J is for jellyfish with
Cockroach.
tentacle jives. K is for killer whale, a hunter so grand.
Cougar.
L is for lionfish, a marvel of the sand. L
Cow.
is for nautilus, a marvel of the sand. M is for manta ray,
Coyote.
it's so wide. M is for
Crab.
octopus, with wings so wide.
Crane.
M is for octopus, clever and shy. P
Crocodile.
is for penguin, under the sea it can fly. Q is for queen angelfish,
Crow.
dressed to impress. R is for rays,
Deer.
gliding with finesse. S is for seahorse, holding tight to the
Dog.
seaweed. T is for turtle, a swimmer of great speed.
Dolphin.
U is for urchin, with spines all around. V is for
Donkey.
vampire squid, where mysteries abound. W is for whale shark, so massive yet
Dove.
kind. X is for Xiphias, with a sword-like spine. Y is for yellow
Dragonfly.
seahorse, tiny and sweet. Z is for zebra shark, where stripes
Duck.
and sea meet. From A to Z, beneath the waves.
Eagle.
A world of wonder where the ocean behaves. Each creature
Earthworm.
unique, a story to tell. In the vast blue sea
Elephant.
they all dwell. X is for Xiphias, with a
Elk.
sword-like spine. A is
Falcon.
for angelfish, so graceful and serene. B is for
Ferret.
whale, the ocean's gentle queen.
C is for clownfish
Finch.
with stripes so bright.
D is for dolphin leaping
Firefly.
into the night.
E is for eel, slippery and sleek.
Fish.
F is flying fish with a gliding technique.
G is for giant
Flamingo.
squid, mysterious and deep. H is for hermit crab, in its
Fly.
shell asleep. I is for ice fish, in icy waters it
Fox.
thrives. J is for jellyfish with tentacle jives. K is
Frog.
for killer whale, a hunter so grand. L is for
Gazelle.
lionfish, a marvel of the sand. M is for manta ray with wings
Gecko.
so wide. N is for nautilus, in a shell it hides.
Giraffe.
O is for octopus, clever and shy. P
Goat.
is for penguin, under the sea it can fly. Q is for queen angelfish,
Goose.
dressed to impress. R is for rays, gliding with
Gorilla.
finesse. S is for seahorse, holding tight to the seaweed.
Grasshopper.
T is for turtle, a swimmer of great speed. U
Hamster.
is for urchin, with spines all around. V is for vampire squid, where
Hare.
mysteries abound. W is for whale shark, so massive
Hawk.
yet kind. X is for Xiphias, with a sword-like spine.
Hedgehog.
Y is for yellow seahorse, tiny and sweet. Z is for zebra
Hen.
shark, where stripes and sea meet. From A to Z, beneath
Heron.
the waves, a world of wonder where the ocean behaves.
Hippopotamus.
Each creature unique, a story to tell. In the vast blue sea they all
Horse.
dwell.
Hummingbird. Hyena. Iguana.
Hen is for icefish, in icy waters it thrives.
Jackal.
J is for jellyfish, with tentacled jives. K is for killer
Jaguar.
whale, a hunter so grand. L is for lionfish,
Jellyfish.
a marvel of the sand. L is for nautilus, a marvel of the sand.
Kangaroo.
M is for manta ray, is so wide.
Kingfisher.
M is for octopus, with
Koala.
wings so wide. M is for octopus,
Ladybug.
clever and shy. P is for penguin, under the sea it can
Lemur.
fly. Q is for queen angelfish, dressed to impress. R
Leopard.
is for rays, gliding with finesse. S is for seahorse, holding tight to the seaweed. T
Lion.
is for turtle, a swimmer of great speed. U is for urchin,
Lizard.
with spines all around. V is for vampire squid,
Lobster.
where mysteries abound. W is for whale shark, so massive yet kind.
Macaw.
X is for Xiphias, with a sword-like spine. Y is
Magpie.
for yellow seahorse, tiny and sweet. C is for zebra shark,
Monkey.
where stripes and sea meet. From A to Z, beneath the waves,
Moose.
a world of wonder where the ocean behaves.
Mosquito.
Each creature unique, a story to tell. In the vast blue sea
Mouse.
they all dwell. X is for Xiphias, with
Octopus.
a sword-like spine. A
Ostrich.
is for angelfish, so graceful and serene. B is for
Otter.
whale, the ocean's gentle queen.
C is for clownfish, with
L.
stripes so bright.
D is for dolphin, leaping into the night.
Ox.
E is for eel, slippery and sleek. F is
Panda.
flying fish, with a gliding technique.
G is for giant squid,
Parrot.
mysterious and deep. H is for hermit crab, in its
Peacock.
shell asleep. I is for icefish, in icy water.